Hey, I'm Anthony at Dimmitt Chevrolet with my friend Chris. We're checking out this new Equinox. Chris, can you tell me a few things about this puppy?
I can. First of all, it's one of the most sought after vehicles in the world right now. It's been referred to as a world-class SUV for Chevrolet money. It gets better gas mileage than the Honda CR-V, more horsepower, and more safety features. 6 airbags come standard with this. OnStar comes standard with this. Turn-by-turn navigation comes standard with this. And quite simply, you can't get this much vehicle anywhere besides Chevrolet for this kind of money.
Wow, Chris, here we are at Dimmitt Chevrolet inside the trunk. Does this have more space than the CR-V?
More space, more safety, more power. It's crazy. Look how much space is in it. I can go through it effortlessly.
DimmittChevyTV.com for more great videos.